So originally I wasn't gonna film this, but then I decided I was going to. Welcome back to another video today on the Ghost Flash channel, guys, and in today's video we have my 2010 Genesis Coupe right here next to me, and it has been a long time since we've actually worked on this car, guys. I've had this car for a very long time, going on I think 9 years now, which is crazy. But in today's video, guys, we're gonna be installing a short shifter on this Genesis Coupe, and I've had the short shifter for about 5 years now. I'll go ahead and put the date somewhere on the screen if I can find when I bought this. I bought it, I'm talking years ago, not even exaggerating, and I didn't want to install it years ago because when I found out that you had to rip out your exhaust and your drive shaft and your exhaust heat shield and various other amount of things, I decided back then I was gonna hold off, and then I ended up never doing it. So we're here today, gonna now tackle it, and yeah, so I'm gonna go to show you guys what we got so far. We got the car in the air on the lift. We got my little blanket down there I can lay on because the ground's a little cold. It is winter. This is the first video of the new year, guys. It is January 3rd. Pretty cool. So we got the interior already disassembled. Just had to take the shift knob off, cover, whatever you want to call that, and then I don't think the boot has to come off. I could be wrong, the boot might have to come off, but that's all you should have to do up here. Now coming underneath the car, you're gonna have to remove this heat shield, this little bracket, as well as this portion of your exhaust, which I actually don't want to do, but I have to because you have to do that to be able to remove the drive shaft. So once you get this removed, the heat shield and whatever exhaust you have on your vehicle, go ahead and remove that. Then you're gonna have access to the drive shaft. You're gonna want to remove either, you can either remove the entire drive shaft from the rear portion and the front. There should be another joint right here in the middle, or you can just remove the front half of the drive shaft and let it flop and dangle down and leave the rear on. I think that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do, but wherever you guys prefer, you can do either option. So I'm gonna go ahead and start removing some things, and I'll update you guys in a second. So I just realized I'm gonna have a little bit of trouble getting this bolt off, because if you guys don't know, this car's on bags, and when I sit at my ride height, my control arms right here sit barely an inch off the ground. My exhaust pretty much touches almost all the time. It's disgusting. I'm either gonna cut this portion off, try to bend it out of the way, do something real quick so I can get access to that bolt. Off without taking the drive shaft out, because my drive shaft is being stupid. So I'm gonna try to get the other one out real quick, the other pin. I'll show you where they're at. So this is what one of the pins looks like. I used just one of my extremely long pick tools, but it was located right here. The one on this side, if you guys can see, it's right there. So yes, right there, that little pin. So you use the little pick tool to unhook the pin, that little flap that you guys can see dangling on the right side, and then if the pin flips up, I'll show you with this one. So pretend this was still up there, right? Use your pick tool on that little flap side that I was showing you to pull it out, and then up, and then it goes up like this. And this little top piece, as you see right there on the top, then you pick this piece up to clear that little second section, because it'll hit the little wall, it'll stop. Then you pick this portion up, then it goes all the way, and then it just slides right out. That's it. Thing fell on me, bro. Alright, so the freaking kit comes like with this extra little Allen key thingamabob and like these little washers. The washers go on the inside into this little fork, so that way this has no play side to side. The washers they give you suck. They go straight into it, so I had to add my own washer on both sides, on the nut side and the Allen key side. But that's it. Tighten that up, throw the boot back on, throw it up there, we're good to go. Already got this side back on, and we're golden.
Gang shit.
Feeling like what?
It's gonna be comfortable when you go like long rides.
Yeah, bro. It's freaking notchy. Woo! Hey, hit the reverse, all the way left and up. Yeah. And hit the 1 through 6. Bro, that 6 shift looked crazy. I used to have the problem where every time I go into fit, it would make a click noise, like if the synchro sound like they're grinding. It does not make the noise, and I don't hear it anymore or feel it. So I think my bushings might have been shot. So I'm glad this thing came with new bushings. I ussta have one. Remember, it's in the Miata now. The purple one. All right, that's gonna do it for today's video, ladies and gentlemen. If you guys enjoyed today's video, go ahead and drop a like and a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. And we'll catch you guys in the next Ghost Flash video.